G'day all, welcome to our preview of the race for tomorrow night, Wednesday World Crits. We're doing 15 laps tomorrow of the Canary Wharf course. Before we get started, make sure you support our sponsors, Daily Cycles, the Bike Place, Fleet Cycles in Andrew. You might know it's got a few upgrades today. Upgraded the room, this hates me. Got a window, upgraded my machine, so the graphics are better, no lag. The only thing got upgraded is the legs. So we'll go to the race. We just started the new lap. So this is the start of the course. You can see the graphics are much better than we had yesterday. I'll just get moving so I can see. It's only 1K course, so we'll get around it pretty quick. We'll just get some watts down. Right. Now, the interesting thing about this course is there's, like any quick course, 4 corners, all left, nice sprint. So we've got about 150 metres for the sprint. We'll see what we can do here, eh? Put down a bit of a challenge. Ready? Here we go. Not quite all over the line, but 17 seconds. Happy with that. Okay, let's see you tomorrow night, boys. Let's get into it.